In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printify as a production partner to Etsy. By the end, you'll have your Printify account connected to your Etsy shop so you can publish products seamlessly and save time on fulfillment. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Printify. When the results appear, click the official Printify site. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the familiar Printify branding and the domain ending with .com. If you land on a page that looks off or is an ad from a different domain, go back and try again to ensure you're signing in safely. Once you're on the Printify website, log into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. If not, enter your credentials and proceed. Keeping your login details secure and using two-factor authentication, if available, is always a good idea. From your dashboard, look for the Store drop-down menu, usually in the top navigation. Open it and choose Manage My Stores. This is where you control which sales channels are connected to Printify and how your products sync. Next, click Connect and choose Etsy from the list of sales channel options. This tells Printify that you want to link your account directly to your Etsy shop, so products and orders can flow between the two platforms. If you already have a store connected and you're adding another one, choose Add a New Store first. This keeps your shops organized, especially if you operate multiple Etsy stores or plan to sell different product lines under separate storefronts. A pop-up window will open asking you to sign in to your Etsy account. If you don't see the window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Printify so the authorization can continue. Then sign into Etsy as you normally would. After signing in, Etsy will ask you to grant access. Click Grant Access to allow Printify to manage your shop integration. This permission enables Printify to create and update listings, sync inventory, and process orders on your behalf. Before you confirm, double-check that you're signed in to the correct Etsy account. If you manage more than one shop, verify the shop name at the top of the window and switch accounts if needed to avoid connecting the wrong store. Once connected, you're ready to publish products from your Printify catalog to Etsy. Use Printify's editor to choose products, customize titles and descriptions, set your pricing and profit margins, and review shipping details. Preview your listing and then publish to Etsy. That's it. Your integration is live, and you can start selling with automated production and fulfillment.